Hello kids, welcome to our fun learning time. Let's learn phonics sound from A to Z. Let's begin our phonics journey. A, A as in apple, A as in ant, A as in alligator. B, B as in box, B as in ball, B as in boy. C, K as in cat, K as in carrot, K as in car. D, D as in duck, D as in dog, D as in drum. E, A as in elephant, A as in egg, A as in elf. F, F as in fish, F as in frog, F as in fox. G, G as in grapes, G as in goat, G as in gorilla. H, H as in hat, H as in hammer, H as in honey. I, E as in ice cream, E as in insect, E as in igloo. J, J as in jellyfish, J as in jaguar, J as in jam. K, K as in kite, K as in kiwi, K as in key. L, L as in lion, L as in lemon, L as in leaf. M, as in monkey, as in mango, as in mouse. N, as in nest, as in net, as in nose. O, as in orange, O as in owl, O as in octopus. P, P as in parrot, P as in pigeon, P as in pig. Q, Qu as in queen, Qu as in quilt, Qu as in quail. R, R as in rabbit, R as in Rambo, R as in rat. S, S as in sun, S as in snake, S as in snail. T, T as in tiger, T as in train, T as in tree. U, as in umbrella, as in umpire, as in unicorn. V, V as in van, V as in volcano, V as in violin. W, V as in window, V as in watch, V as in whale. X, X as in X-ray, X as in exit, X as in 6. Y, Y as in yak. Y as in yogurt. Y as in yarn. Z. Z as in zebra. Z as in zucchini. Z as in zoo. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.